payback time at Apple. The tech giant will refund more than $32 million to consumers, settling a complaint by the Federal Trade Commission that it charged parents for costly mobile apps that kids were buying without permission from their parents. FTC Chairman Edith Ramirez explained how the hidden charges added up.
The FTC alleges that Apple failed to tell parents that when they entered their Apple password, they were authorizing a charge for a virtual item to be used in the app, as well as opening a 15-minute window during which their child could make unlimited additional purchases without further action by the parent.
Apple will be also required to change its billing practices to make sure parents give the okay before getting charged for those in-app fees. Meanwhile, Apple is gearing up to hit it big in the world's largest smartphone market. Starting this Friday, Apple iPhones will be sold at China Mobile stores for the first time ever. Eunice Yoon sat down with the heads of both companies.
The chiefs of Apple and China Mobile are gearing up for a big day on Friday. That's a day when the iPhone will be available to Chinese customers at China Mobile stores.
It's a watershed day for Apple. It's a huge announcement.
Up till now, iPhones were only sold at its rivals, limiting Apple's market share. But after a long courtship, the tech titan sealed the deal last December. China Mobile will get phones that will encourage its customers to use its new high-speed data network. Apple will gain access to the Chinese company's vast network of more than 760 million subscribers.
I'm so honored to be doing business with Chairman Xi and China Mobile. They have the largest network. We're incredibly impressed with them. We have deep respect for them and have had from the very first discussion that we've had together. We see this as bringing the world's best smartphone to the very largest and now the fastest network in China.
Many analysts believe that Apple needed to broker a deal with China Mobile to compete further in this fast-growing handset market where low-cost smartphones are gaining ground. Tim Cook isn't concerned, and neither is China Mobile's chairman, Mr. Xi Guohua.
Mr. Xi, will you now use an iPhone?
Good question. Before China Mobile and Apple joined hands, I used a cell phone of another brand. Now I've decided to switch to an iPhone. I'm very thankful to Tim Cook that this morning he gave me one of the first iPhones made for China Mobile. And it's gold, the most popular color amongst youngsters.
China Mobile's chairman said that the company already has millions of pre-orders, even though its pricing of the phones is slightly higher than the company's rivals. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Eunice Yoon in Beijing.